Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. So what's new here? The Tesla got the summer wheels on, looking good. The town car is fit. I drove it recently, fun to drive. The Ford Explorer is still the same and doesn't have the summer wheels on it yet, you know. Now today I'm gonna check this car here, my Mercedes. I noticed how close I parked there. Yeah, it's been sitting all winter long. I just started right up, runs fairly smooth. Yeah, pretty good engine. So, but there's an issue with it, like always. Wouldn't be a Mercedes if there's always an issue with it. Look at this. I think it sits too low at the back, at the rear here. Check this side. See, both sides the same. And yes, I have the car running and the door's closed. That's not smart, so let's open the door. And I will take it out in just a second and we'll go for a ride with it. So that was the reason I had that open. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is, I'll tell you what the plan is. I will measure the height and then I'll take it on a ride, a longer drive, come back home, park it at the exact same spot, and then measure it again and see if it still lifts. In case you didn't know, this system here does not work with air. The rear suspension works with hydraulics. So it has an hydraulic tank in the front in the engine bay, and that hydraulic tank, you have to check the level, and that is correct. I checked that. And it pumps the hydraulic oil to the rear shocks and it keeps the vehicle level. That's a very simple explanation. Now, apparently it doesn't, and it doesn't seem like it's coming up anymore like it used to. So let's measure it, go for a longer ride and see what it does. So I have only one hand. I'll put you on the side for a second, I'll measure it and I'll show you what the result is. Okay, here's the result. It's at a little bit under 26, so we'll say where the number 2 is. I'll remember where it's at. I'll put this away and get the Tesla out, move the Mercedes out, and like I said, we'll go for a little ride with it, and then we'll see what's going on. So let me get the Tesla out, and we'll go from there. Okay, Tesla's outside. We'll get in this fine car here. Look at that. German luxury style here. I got my Pepsi. I got my wallet, my insurance card. All the good stuff that we need. I got a radio, can't turn it on. I got a slouchy belt, but look, when you release it, it tightens up. And that's when I bought it, he told me that he couldn't find parts for that. That sucks, but you know, it's another thing with Mercedes. You can't always find parts anymore for those guys, those cars. So do we have gas? Yes, have gas. And the lights here work too, look at that, because I changed all the bulbs. See how nice? Don't need lights, saving battery. Which the battery was new too, and honestly that battery is really good. It's a Mercedes battery. Bought it at Mercedes. Yeah, never fails. And they even delivered it to the house. I don't know if Mercedes always has that service, but here they do. You with an old S-Class, you got the pretty premium service there. All right guys, I'll get back to you when I'm on the road. And here I am, just cruising along. I will keep doing this for about half an hour, then I'll turn around, of course half an hour back, and then there should be a difference. If there's not a difference, yeah, I'll have to see if I can diagnose it a little bit further, but I doubt I can do that. I don't have anything to lift the car up, so there's no leak. I mean, it leaks a little bit of transmission oil, but it doesn't have a leak for the hydraulic oil. So then I don't know what the problem is. If that's happening, then I will have to bring it somewhere to someone who knows Mercedes, who can diagnose it and decide if I want to fix it or not. I thought about selling this car too, and there's always the question, you sell it as is and get less, or you fix it up and then sell it? I don't know, you know, good question. I love the car, I just don't drive it a lot, and yeah, sometimes it is a tough topic. I am not decided, so we'll talk about that another time. Okay, let me continue, and when I'm back, we'll measure it again and we'll see what we find. All right, thanks for hanging in there. And another thing is, I appreciate all you guys that are watching these videos. It doesn't matter if you like the Mercedes or my town car or Tesla. I appreciate all of you, and I'm always happy that you're here. So just know that. If you want to subscribe, please do that, and if you want to give me a thumbs up, even better. All right, see you in a bit. Okay guys, I'm back home and the car is running same as before, just that I have the lights on. So look at this. This is adjusted a little bit. Yeah, I mean, it is a little bit up, but it is super minimal. So only a tiny bit up. Let's look at this on this side. Yeah, about the same. So it's even on both sides, but it's super minimal. So I think something is not right. Yeah, that's not what I wanted to see. I mean, I'm happy that it went up a little bit, but I am not happy that it's no more than that. Let's measure the front. Ooh, it's stuck on my mirror there. That's no good. Okay, see, front is higher, but yeah, look at all the bugs. Look at all the bugs out there just from driving now. That's crazy. Okay, well, when you look at the car, it doesn't look like it sits super low, but it definitely sits lower at the back than it should. If you have a W140, please let me know what how yours sit. Let me know and tell me what you think, what I should do. I don't have time right now, also not in the mood to take it apart, but just so you know, the container with the hydraulic oil is right here, right underneath here. You know, you take that cover off and you have a container there with some hydraulic oil, and it also has a dipstick. So that's how you check if your hydraulic oil level is correct. And when I checked it, it was correct. I checked it when it was cold and not running. I think that's how you do it. I'll look into that one more time. And honestly, it's not severe. It doesn't sit super low, so I'm not too worried. But I gotta think about what I want to do to fix that. Other than that, the car drove fine. Really good riding car. You would think it's a new car when you ride it. I mean, pretty good. Alright guys, so yeah, like I said before, please subscribe, please like. If you want to donate some money, do that too, so I can fix the Mercedes. Just kidding, I don't have to do that. Yeah, wish you a happy day, and thanks for watching like always. So hang in there, have a good week. Hey guys, before the video ends, I have a message. I'm not a guy who likes strong smells, but sometimes it happens. You leave your food in the car and it smells nasty. The kids are farting all the time, it smells nasty. So what really helps is that air refreshener that I reviewed a short while ago. It's the Daily Lab air refreshener, and it's right here. Especially made for Tesla Model Y and 3. And if you're interested in it, go check out my video. and check out the discount link and code in the description. Thank you.